Is technological disruption something new for us? The answer is big no. We have seen it before many times. We have seen how clerical jobs got replaced by coding and BPO. We have seen factories turn to robots. We have also seen retail stores get a massive blow by e-commerce. And now it is AI, it is everywhere. AI is pushing things way beyond automation. Unlike old school automation that only handled physical labor, today AI is doing many things such as writing, designing, coding, analyzing, even creating art. There are few skills that we once thought were untouchable, like creativity, designing, engineering, but AI is picking them fast. It is in fact infiltrating everywhere. From Bollywood to IT corridors, from creative studios to engineering firms, AI is everywhere. And the harsh truth is that AI is replacing a lot of jobs. Yes, AI is making many jobs obsolete, but don't worry. AI is not replacing people, it is the people who know how to use AI effectively are replacing those who don't. So make AI your ally, make it your co-worker who never gets tired, who never asks for a tea break. Let it work for you. Now there are many jobs facing the AI takeover. Many jobs are disappearing. They are in danger zone. So the big question is your job safe or not? So in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 jobs that are seriously at risk in the AI era. So stay tuned till the end and you will get to know many things that might save your career. And the job number 1 is graphic designers. Graphic design was a specialized skill once. Only trained experts could do it. They used to spend years learning tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, etc. Designing logos, posters, and social media creatives was not an easy job. And projects used to take days and even weeks. But today, a few clicks and it is done. And thanks to AI tools like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, Canva, etc. Using these tools, one can create professional designs in seconds. They are not only fast, but cheap and super easy as well. And that's why startups, small businesses, even larger brands are adopting these tools. And as a result, there are hardly any entry-level jobs left in this field. You know, freelancers who once had loads of work are now struggling to get clients because clients can generate designs themselves with AI. So where should all graphic designers go? How should they survive in this changing era? They can thrive by becoming AI designers. They have to learn to use AI tools to deliver faster, better, and more innovative results. Don't forget that AI can develop standard designs, but when it comes to real branding, smart strategy, and creating a unique identity, humans are still required. For original ideas, cultural context, emotional storytelling, can AI match human touch? The answer is big no. So stop wasting energy on heavy lifting, let AI handle all physical burden and you focus on offering what AI simply cannot. Now job number 2 is content writers. Today companies don't require a large pool of writers because content is being generated using AI tools. From media houses to e-commerce companies to Bollywood studios, all are relying on AI. Product descriptions, ad taglines, SEO blogs, promotional emails, social media captions are all being done by AI. Even movie scripts are being done by AI models. AI is also fulfilling linguistic requirements by translating text in Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, etc. So tell me, where is the scope for content writers? Only a handful of human editors are required who can supervise AI drafts, who can babysit AI and make sure it doesn't write something ridiculous. So what options do writers have now? Look, if you are truly passionate about writing, you can make more money than before. Now the question is how? Just by evolving a bit. Writers today need to use AI smartly. They have to let AI handle the research, drafts, and boring stuff. Now, is there anything left to be done? Yes, human can add what only human can. That is humor, sarcasm, wit, strong storytelling, etc. Don't forget, AI cannot give emotional depth. It cannot add cultural nuance and it cannot read the audience the way we can. So don't shy away from applying human skills because AI can take care of heavy lifting. Great writing is not just about language, it is about being observant, understanding the audience, and weaving suspense, hope, fear, inspiration, and adding those catchy punchlines into your content. Now, coming to the job number 3, software testers. So, if you are working as a software tester and performing roles like running test cases, checking bugs, and reviewing code, these are repetitive roles that AI can gulp down. In fact, AI is already encroaching on this space rapidly. And these AI tools are so effective that they can even predict what bugs are likely to occur. They can also generate test cases automatically and run them faster than human testers. Just think, can you survive in this space now? Many of you might be aware that there is a tool called GitHub Copilot that can suggest code corrections in real time. So where is the human required then? Don't take tension. There are many avenues for human in this role as well. Just figure out what AI cannot do. AI cannot think outside the script. AI cannot explore unusual user behavior. AI cannot judge if software is friendly or frustrating to real users. AI doesn't have deep domain knowledge and experience. AI has no awareness of regulations as well. AI cannot imagine weird scenarios. AI cannot predict cultural nuance and bias. AI has no judgment of ethics. Also, those in testing can explore DevOps environment. They can learn automation pipelines and cloud infrastructure. They can upgrade themselves so they can understand complex workflows, dependencies, and real-world usage. Trust me, if you can explore these, nothing can replace you. Now coming to the job number 4, mechanical draftman. If you are a mechanical draftman who sits hours for preparing technical drawings for machine, buildings, and big infrastructure project, sorry to say that AI has completely taken away this role. Traditional draftman roles are fading away because today we have AI-powered CAD and generative design tools. They can draft faster and smarter. They can optimize designs as well. For example, they can give you multiple versions of any design that can use less material but are still strong enough. Yes, AI has made all this possible. Companies once had a whole team of draftmen working on manual drawings. They now have just a few engineers with AI who can generate dozens of tested design variations. But engineers who know how to work on AI-assisted design tools, they still have huge scope in this field. Now coming to the job number 5, video editors. If you know about tools like Runway, Firefly, Pika Labs, you'd know their effectiveness. They can automatically edit clips, generate transitions, and even create synthetic backgrounds. Things like cutting raw footage, balancing audio, and adding subtitles have become very easy using these tools. Bollywood, advertising industries, and influencers are all using AI to speed up their production cycles. And that's why there are hardly any traditional entry-level editing jobs left. So as a video editor, if you want to survive in this industry, you need to focus on advanced editing, storytelling, and supervising AI workflows. So clearly AI is taking over routine, repetitive, and entry-level tasks. They are also replacing many traditional roles. But the interesting thing is that human creativity, oversight, and judgment are still not replaced. If you have these human skills, you will not only survive, but you will do better than before. These traditional roles are being reborn in new forms. You should be able to work on these new versions.